That's it. 두지치. 야, 소냐라인다. 소냐라 다시 달레이크. 다다케랑
Verschiedene
가파유.
Nade på yin.
다다케랑 가파유.
Kappa ju. Na Hamburg na ju.
연결숭탕. 다다케랑 가파유.
Na Hamburg na ju.
That's it. nga hamburger. Or you can say 다다 nga. You can say now. 그러봐. 다다 nga hamburger 유. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. 연결숭탕. 다다케랑 가파유.
Tatang na Hamburg la ju.
That's it. 다다케랑키 족보 가파르요리.
Nge troppo tang Hamburg na jure.
양결순당 다다케랑키 족보 가파르요리.
Nge troppo. I wanted to say also tang
예
yang.
족보.
Oh, es ist yang. Oh, sorry, yang Hamburg na jure.
That's it. hamburgla 요리. That's it. 양결순당. Let's say one more time. 다다케랑키 족보 가파르요리.
Nge troppo Hamburg la jure.
Or you can say 양 족보 양 하고서가 야, 양 also. 봐봐. Okay? hamburgla 약 요리.
Mare Hamburg la jak ju mare.
알레. 햄버거 심이당 키 열배 мя당 워워 열배 심이당
Hamburg
키 열배.
Hamburg Chimitang ki jure.
That's it. 햄버거 don't forget 라.
Hamburg la
Mhm.
Chimidang ki mangpo jure.
That's it. 햄버거 심이당 키 망보 열배. That's it. 음. 라서 도지체 아니 소냐라 케랑라 데뷔 열배.
Ngala tep ju mangpo re.
양결순다. 탭.
Ngala tep mangpo jure.
That's it.
Tep.
유레 or 유. 하고서 오케이?
Okay.
예, 인다 공수리.
Kong. Kong. I know.
하코마송. You can say 하코마.
Tatsaina malai.
어? That's it. That's it. 하코마송.
Hakumaso.
That's it. 하고서 오케이? That's it. 오예, 되게도 투지체 소냐라 투지체. 야. 드네 마크라인다 마크라. 마크라 트시델레이크.
Touch the leg in line, everybody.
아니 마크라 키랑 가파리유.
Uh, nga New York la you.
That's it. 마크라 디 카레레.
Di kapare.
카파르 디 수레.
Kapar di kongsur konkire.
카파르 디 콩키레페.
No, karangire.
양결송탕. 카파르 디 수레.
Kapar di kerangire.
That's it. 케랑라 카파르 유페.
Uh, kapar. Kew Gardens la. Nga Kew Gardens la yure.
말해. 걔랑 라, 파파르, 유베. 걔랑 라, 카파르, 유베.
Uh, 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 kapar,
디 카파르, 봐. 네.
yeah,
응.
kapar, nga kapar ki, I say, or kapar la.
말해. nga 라, here.
Nga,
Question is, 걔랑 라, 카파르, 유베. That's it. 응?
re, kapar, nga kapar, nala kapar yure.
That's it. Or you. 아고승아. 응. nga 라, 카파르, 유. nga 라, 카파르, 유. nga 라, 시미, 유. nga 라, private jet, me. Donald Trump 라, private jet, 유레. Right? 걔랑 라, 시미, 유베.
Nga la shimi yure.
That's it. Now you can add numbers. Ngala shimi chik you. Ngala shimi ni you. Ngala
Nga la
kapar chik you. Like this. Hmm?
yeah. Okay.
Suntan. Kerang la shimi you pay.
Nga la shimi sumre.
Sum.
Sum ye.
That's it. You are talking about I have. At that time,
Yeah.
you don't say Ray. Ray is for identification. Agosuma magla. Hmm?
Okay, song.
That's it. Hmm.
Chiche.
Kerang la Lamborghini you pay.
Nga la Lamborghini mayure.
Me. Madengbo me, ta me. Agosuma. Hmm? That's
Nga
it.
la Lamborghini me.
That's it. Ngala Lamborghini me. That's it. Ngala kapar you. Ngala tep you. Ngala lama chik you. Ngala gegen you. Anything you can say. Ngala Lamborghini me. Hmm? Like this. Agosuma.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, song.
That's it. So you have to know where to put the la when you are talking about I have or I have not, he has or he has not, we have, they have. Hmm?
So always goes with either the person or the place where it is.
That's it. Now keep in mind. Agosunga. Okay? That's it. At that time, you are talking about existence. That's why you say ye, me, ye, re, ye, mare. You don't say re, yin, because those are for identification. Agosunga. This is that, that is something and like this. Agosunga. Okay? Hmm? That's it.
I'll try to remember.
Oh, yeah. That's it. That's it. Yahulab song. Tujiche. Magla tujiche. That's it. Hmm? Oh, yeah. Then, yeah, Jos Zarur later in the Obamasum. I cannot read that well. Hmm? Lasso. Trashidele, Kiran Depo Imbe.
Nga Deboin.
That's Yahulab
Uh,
song.
Ke Kerang Deboin Be.
That's it. Ngayang Depo Yin. Ngayang Depo Yin. Tujiche. Ani, Kiran Tata Kapar Yu. or 타타케랑 가파르유.
Tata kapar. Oh, um, which one is that? Okay, this one.
타타케랑 가파르유.
Mm, ta- Tata is
Now. 네.
okay. Um, so Nala,
ngala mare.
oh, Mare.
Ngala mare.
Oh,
The R
okay.
should become always after the location. So
Oh,
now you are not the location.
okay.
Mm.
So na Michigan la
Uh-huh.
ye
That's
ye okay
you say
ye
Akosuma, that's nga Michigan la you. Or nga
na
nang la you, inside la you. Or nga
okay
home la you, nga nang la you. Or nga kangpa la you. Or nga
okay
Michigan la you, nga New York la you, nga Jakar la
okay
you. Like this.
mm,
Thing. Now we know that la comes after the location. Sometimes you are location.
okay
Akosuma, then you say nga la, kong la, like this.
mm.
Okay? That's it.
Oh, okay. So
That's it. Yes, please.
like when you when you say uh uh n- Nala Tebye, like I don't have
That's it.
I have the book.
That's it.
I'm the location.
That's it. You are the
Okay.
location at that time. But in English sentence, it makes you something like you own or you have it or something like that. But this
Okay.
la is like a direction. Agosma. That's
Mm,
where is the book? Ngala tap you, ngala kapar you, ngala private jet me. Anything. Ngala trokpo you, ngala trokmo you. Like this.
okay.
Akosuma. Okay?
Mm,
It. Now I can see you know it internally, but you lack speaking practice. Akosuma.
yes.
So for that you need to practice it. Okay?
Mm,
That's it. Then you can catch up. That's it. Akosuma. I can see that you need practice speaking. Akosuma. Okay?
mm,
That's it. Because it's my language, you don't need to feel shy. You should be proud. Okay?
okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Thank you. Prashidale, Tujiche.
Tujichi.
That's it. Then I think rest of us mostly no, Hakosuma. Enclerla inda, Enclerla. Enclerla, Trashidale.
Taşiderek, taşiderek.
Atakiran kaparyu.
Tadanya Sheffield'layı.
Tatakiran chilokla yupe.
Mari tadanya Kampinanglayı.
That's it. Opposite of you can say me. Tatanga chilokla me. Tatanga kangpe nangla you. That's it. Hakosuma.
Nasıl?
Tatakiran Starbucks la yupe.
Say again, Yanga Sultan.
Tatakiran Starbucks la yupe.
Tadanya Starbucks'la Mari.
Me.
Me.
Hakosuma. Opposite of
Hakosuma.
you, me. That's it. You say nga, not nya. Try to break that.
Nga.
Okay?
Sorry. Yeah.
Hmm?
nga,
Nga. Don't
nga,
put the
nga.
tongue up. Then it's okay. Okay?
Mhm.
Hmm?
Yeah.
This
Nga.
is nya. This is nya. This is nga. Nya.
Nga.
When you
Nga.
say nya, you touch your tongue on the upper mouth. When you say nga,
Mhm.
no use of tongue. From
I've got into a bad habit. Sorry. Yeah.
yes. So you need to change this with the nga.
Mm.
Okay?
Break
Oh,
the
yeah.
habit.
아니, 엔크렐라, 계란라, 카파르 유페.
Uh, nga kapar yere.
Or you. Nga la,
Yeah.
you missed la.
Nga la kapar ye.
계란라, 탭 유페.
Nga la tepye.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. And 계란라, 시미 유페.
Nga la shimi me.
계란라, 키 유페. Whoa.
Nga la ki me.
That's it.
Mm.
계란라, 깡콜 유페. Tring.
Nga la kanker ye.
That's it. Nga la 깡콜 유페.
Mhm.
That's it. Very good.
Awesome.
Thank you. Rasu.
Thank you. Tujichi.
야, 달아라입니다. 달아라, 다시달래.
다시 내려gel라.
다다케랑 뉴욕라 유페.
nga New York là me
That's it. 다다케랑 가파르유.
nga thata nga Bangkok là you.
That's it. 다다가 뱅콕. 뱅콕라 약 유르페.
Mare Bangkok là yok yak mare
약 유마레. 응?
ya yo mare yak yo mare
연결숭아. 뱅콕라 약 유르페.
Bangkok là yak mare
마레. It's not 마레. 유마레. Okay.
yo mare okay oh
연결숭.
it's okay. Okay. I get it. Because it's a ray at the end. Yeah. So yo mare. Yes. Sorry.
연결숭당.
Bangkok là
유르페.
yok yo mare.
뱅콕 라 랑첸 유르페.
Yeah. Bangkok là Lang Chin Mangpo yo.
Or Yore.
Yo re. Yeah.
That's it. Apostle. That's it.
Apostle.
Or Yore. Both are okay. Yore is more spoken, more common. Apostle. That's it. Bangkok la Langchen Mangpo Yore. That's it. Bangkok la Gonpa Mangpo Yore. Gonpa.
Gompa.
Monastery. Gonpa.
Yeah. Bangkok là Gompa Mangpo yo re.
That's it. Kerang la Kapar Yupe.
Kira. Nga là Kapur yo.
That's it. Kerang ki Trokmo la Shimi Yupe. Meow.
Trokmo. Okay.
Yeah.
Nga là Trokmo or Trokpo. Shimi yo re.
So why you say la after yourself? Where is the
Yes. No, la is it. Yes, okay. Nga Trokpo là Shimi yo re.
That's it. Nga Trokpo mare, nge Trokpo.
Nghe, yes. Nga, and then yeah, yes. Nghe, ถูกต้อง nghe. Chiku, yeah.
연결
Nga,
순간.
nga,
니,
nge, tropo, la, mi, yore.
that's it. 니 tropola shimi yore. That's it. Okay. Now we have a little bit idea where to put the la. Agosuma. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Till now I have introduced you delta, okay?
Yes. And Chedra now.
Delta, and I have introduced Latin, right? Latin, I only introduce la, okay? There are others, but I haven't introduced them yet. For delta, I have introduced you 5 of them. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
So for delta, they show relation. It should be between two nouns. For example, it's you and your son, then you say nge pu, like this. Agosuma, nga akikui, pashapkyu pu. Two noun, nga and pu. Between those, you have to put this. Agosuma. Between two nouns, you have
Akosong,
to
nge
attach it
pu.
with the first noun. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. Nge
Okay,
pu,
pu.
like this.
Mhm.
Oh.
That is
Bangkok ki lang chen. Bangkok ki lang chen. Like this. Agosuma. Oh. And Claire ki tab. Like this. Marcelo ki kapar. Like this. Donald Trump ki private jet. Like this. Agosuma. Oh. Little revision.
akosong.
Where we put the akikui, these particles. Relation particle, connection particle. Agosuma. Then la, till now I have only introduced kapar, where it is. Location, right? Okay. You have to put it after the location. Nangla, Chilogla, Gangla, Wokla. Okay? Brazil la, Europe la, Perla, Jakarla. Agosuma. Okay? Then for the subject, you can also put Kongla. Kongla, private jet, Yomare. Donald Trump la, private jet, Yure. Anne Claire la, Kankor, Yure. Anne Claire la, Mercedes Benz, Yomare. Like this. Agosuma. Like this. Okay? Okay. Now, recently I introduced you Chedda, okay? The Chedda is almost same as Delta. Sound is similar, not same. Sound is same. But there is extra sa, right? For example, for Chedda, everyone has sa. Sa extra. That's it. Okay. And what does Cheddar do? Cheddar shows whoever did the action. Okay. That's why this particle should be always after the whoever did the action. Okay. That's just a simple explanation just now. This is good enough right now. Okay. Now we know if Anne Claire did something. Anne Claire ki. Kakigu kisa ki. That's it. If Kong did the action, Kong ki. If your friend did the action, Nge chokpo ki. or nge chokpe, like this. Okay? That's it. So these particles always come after the action doer. And how it goes after the, how we know when to put this and this, not necessary now. Right now, you just use key. That's it. Good enough. Okay? That's it. And clear key. How goes on? Okay? That's it. Hmm. Marcelo key, Nima key, like this. Okay?
So again, no difference in pronunciation between Drelja and
Cheddar.
Shedra.
Really, delta thang cheddar dradang chikpare. Dradang chikpare. How goes on? That's it. Dradang chikpare. Oh, takcha. Spelling chikpa mare. How goes on? That's it. Dradang chikpare. Takcha chikpa mare.
Can you
Now
write
we
a
know. Yes.
write out spelling word? Spelling, how to write spelling?
takcha.
Acha.
Takcha. How goes on? Okay. Takcha. Takcha chikpa mare. Dradang chikpa re. Dradang chikpa re. Takcha chikpa mare. That's it. Then we learned when there is a verb, there we should know 3 tense, right? Out of 3 tense, we learned only one part of present tense. Okay? One part of present tense. Then that, what is that? It's kiduk. Right. Or sometimes it could be kiduk. Don't break this down. Keep this as the same, okay? As a whole. When you see ki, yi with the duk, it means present tense, okay? Present tense, but it's like a oh moment, okay? We know this. It's not like a general present tense. It's like a oh, like you are looking from this, like this guy. Like this guy. He's looking from binocular, right? Then I ask him, Kare chekiduk. Oh, kalak sakiduk. Oh, pizza sakiduk. Oh, she tonkiduk. Oh, pöke jonkiduk. Oh, wine tonkiduk. That's it. That's present tense, direct experience. Okay. At that time, you say kiduk. Okay. The question is kariche. Kariche. Kariche kiduk. That's it. Kariche kiduk. Now, if I add the subject, if it's a singular, konki kariche kiduk. That's it. Now you see, this ki is the cheddar particle. So, konki kariche kiduk. That means he did something, right? That's it. konki kariche kiduk. That's it. And Claire ki kariche kiduk. Marcelo ki kariche kiduk. Yenhong ki kariche kiduk. Sonia lagi kariche kiduk. Nime kariche kiduk. Tara ki kariche kiduk. Apollina ki kariche kiduk. Like this. Okay? Then we learned some of verbs kalaksa, chutung, pekejong. Like this. Now, konki kariche kiduk. If I make it plural, kongtsu. Okay? 공츠, like this. If you see here, I only put sa here. Okay? I didn't put ka, kiku, ki here. Because whenever there is no suffix, when you say kongcho, when you say cho, what is the main sound? Sa. There is no letter after the main sound. That means no suffix. If there is no suffix, you can write only sa here as an indicate of, you can get rid of akikui and just put sa when there is no suffix. 하고서. So that's it. 공츠 가르치기도, plural. What else that has no suffix? You nga, when you say nga, right? Then if you did something, then you can say nge, like this. Okay? Oh yeah, that's it.
Again, La.
Yes, please.
Kare Chekidu. Hakomosan.
Okay. So here, kareche kiduk. Kiduk is in the present tense, where you are direct experiencing it. Then question is, kareche kiduk, what doing? That's it. If I add subject, 공츠 가르치기도, kiduk, what are they doing? That's it.
Okay.
Okay?
Tuchiche.
Oh, yeah. That's it. Kare, what, che, do, kareche kiduk, kiduk, ing, in a direct experience form. 가르치기도. Now add marki 가르치기도. That's it. Yes, Yanala.
It just may be helpful, direct perception, you're directly seeing.
Yes, yes. Direct perception, direct experience. That's it. 하고서나. Okay? Oh yeah, that's it. 가르치기도. 공출 가르치기도. marki 가르치기도. That's it. Okay? 공출 가르치기. That's it.
Tenzila, I have one question. This
Yes, please.
gom gyap.
That's-
Why is this gyap and not gomche kiduk? What is gyap? It's
a-
not to do.
Yes, yes. So it has no like a specific meaning to this. If I say Kora Gyab is making round, if I say Gom Gyab, it's doing meditation. So there is no fixed translation for Gyab. Think of it.
Okay, it's not to walk, for example, to walk or
Yeah, Kompa Gyab, to work, walking, like this. Sheldeb Gyab, donating. So Gyab has no fix. Okay.
so it's like che you can use for almost everything, obviously, but yap for other words.
Yes, like a che,
But when to use to do che and when to do yap, to use yap,
That's
is
it.
there any system rule?
I think there is no specific system or like this. You will know this by just saying it again and again. You will get used to it. Your muscle memory will catch up with it. Okay.
Okay, and then one more question. This kappa tong kiduk is tong to send or to call?
Yes. Many one. Or to sing shetong, like this.
Okay.
So don't fix on that. That's why I always give the whole verb kalaksa, shetong, gom gyap. I don't say just sa, tung, gyap. I didn't introduce like this with the whole. That's it. Just keep learning, adding like this. Don't translate it, feel it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
That's it. Oh yeah. Just repeat after me. Very good action. That's it. Otherwise, if you translate, you will forget. I know this. Many people did this and still it didn't help them. They will realize after many years. Okay? That's it. 야보채소. 올랐어. Now we know. 공출 가르치 기둑. 기둑. We are learning only 기둑 here. Okay? Let's learn some verbs today. Here. 갈락사. 하고흥아 갈락사. That's it. Yeah. 따인다. 대링 야날라인다. 야날라. 공익이 가르치 기둑.
공리 가라사기도.
제다 랍마송아.
음?
Who is the action doer?
공리
되네 제다 랍당.
셔절라
말해. 공익이 뭐르바. 하고송.
공리기 사라
That's it.
공리기
음.
가라사기도.
That's it. 공익이 갈락사기도. That's it. 하고송아. Very good. I know this, Yanala. If
Gi.
Tibetans speak like this, they get rid of ki.
기고 말해.
가르치는 그 말에.
기디고 말해.
가르치네.
공리기 기디고 말해.
그래. 강에서나 제밥 어떤 게 여러봐. 하고송아. 기디 그래. 강에서나 제밥 수래.
공리 공리기 가라사기래. 가라사기.
That's it. 공익이 갈락사기도.
기디고 말.
그래. 딩원에 그래. 하고송아. 강에서
그래.
이상 여기 겹도 깨차 족부 쉐기 여러봐. 세상 공주기 끼디 매바 쓰기 여래. 원에 지나 그래. 원에 지나 그래.
시거래. 가게 거 말해. 가게 거래 거 말해.
그래. 가게라 그래. 욕도 들어서 그 매바 창거든. 여러봐. 페나차시나 네 칼라사기 여러와. 네 칼라사기 여러와. 나 칼라사기 요양 럽기르바. 니가 럽기래. 이나야 according to grammar 나 칼라사기 요 노르바래. 하고스마 세자 네 럽그르바. 인지민지 네 럽그 말해. If you say 나 it will pass the message. 하고스마 but according to grammar book we have to use this.
네 가라사기.
That's it. Because you already know the grammar, you can get rid of it, no problem. When writing, you can write properly. But first we have to know there should be sa here, cheda here. Then we can get rid of it.
좋잖아. 오케이, 좋잖아.
That's it. 그렇지.
좋잖아.
다인다, 야. 니말라인다. 공익이 창통기두개.
Koniki Chang Tungimindu. Koniki Gemikala Sagidu.
That's it. 공익이 칼락사기도 or 게미칼락사기도. Anything. Okay? That's it.
Then
Yeah.
why 공리?
I'm
The two of them.
saying specifically these two.
Oh yeah, Chikni. Okay.
공익.
바꿔서-
Them
바꿔서.
two. Or I can use 공츠, 산하루 출사출. 하고서 공츠 가르치기도. 공츠 칼라사기도. Like this. 하고서 okay?
So like them,
Really? 공츠.
those.
We know this.
Yeah.
Kong is singular. Kongcho is plural. That's it.
So,
How goes
I know.
Kalak, Saidu, or Kidu, or Kidu, whatever. How goes That's it. Tene chatung. How goes chatung? There. Like this. Chatung. How goes Yeah, that in the Nurmala in the Nurmala yube. Konki 가르치기도.
공기, 슈 둥기도,
konki bier tungi dugi.
공기, 비야 둥기민도,
That's it. Konki bier tungi mendo. Konki cha tungi du. If we look at here, kakigu kisaki is after the kon because that's the one who did the action. Agosuma, what is the action? Chatung. That's it. Kidu, direct experience, direct perception. Agosuma, okay? In the present.
네.
That's it. Sungtang, yes. Lasso, tujiche, that's it. Tadine de,
지시라,
tujiche. Kechache, labna de. Keranki min karere, o ni min tenzin re. Keranka min, o nga pene yin. Kerang arine marepe, me nga arine mare, nga pene re. Yes, kechache. Agosma, that's it.
Shemari,
Ke-
Kecha-
Kecha, and say lots of that means Kechachi is like talking or making conversation.
This is talking.
Okay. Can you the lettering are not very clear because of the gold color, you know.
Last.
So, can you reprint it or make it bolder?
Last. Wait, it's
Change the color.
I cannot change the color here
Ah, I see. Okay.
because it's already a book PDF.
Ah, I see. Okay, it's a PDF. Okay.
Sa kataka ta ke cha
Okay.
a cha ta che kecha che. That's it.
Okay. Sa ka ta and then ta, right? So K.
Sa kataka ta ke. That's
K, yes, and then cha. Okay. K cha. Okay. And then K cha and then a cha and then ta.
che
Che.
kecha che.
K cha che. So K cha che is talking. Okay.
Tenzin-la,
Yes, please.
a question about this ao, cha, da, che. I think I see bao, sha, da, she
That's
more
it.
often.
More popular. Really. Really. Pausha tashi. Yani yürü. Kechashi. Yürü. Kechachi. Yürü. Acha tachi. Laba. Tadawa ingire.
Maybe it's different form of verbs. Maompa, tata.
Really. That's it. That's what it is. Tadawa. Laba. Tadawa. Acha tachi. Okay. Kechachi. Hakosunga. Now here we see Kongni. Ni. Hakosunga. Kongni. Then kayata kya kikuki saki. Kongni ki. Kechachi kidu. That's it. Hakosunga. We know that this particle is Chedra. and it shows who did the action. That's why it should be after the action doer. 하고서 공니기 개차 체기도. That's it. Or 개차 체기도. Whatever. Okay, 아불랍성. That's it. Yeah, 다되네 디인다. 소냐라인다. 소냐라 공니기 가르치기도.
Kongni kesha chekiduk.
Where is the verb? Action doer particle.
Sorry, kongni ki kesha chekiduk.
That's it. 공니기 개자시기도. That's it. 하고서 That's it. That's it. Very good. 아불랍성. 다되네 야 디인다. 목목소 목목사 하고서 목목소 make 하고서 또 파사 나르소. That's it. 숭당
Gana,
라수
di get share mare power sha jingbo ta share mare get to share.
가리 바우샤 다시 마르베 라베베 가리 숭바인 야나라 연결 숭당
Ji me chat shak by shagin chat la shagin. Di ma sek Tibetan sek tale Tibetan sek get to share. Di mare.
Oh, you mean this one? 레레 디당 바샤 다시 가르치는 리기래 개발이 말해. 바샤 당시 야나 아차 다치 가르치는 리기래 직발해. 하고
Tenta di jikbare.
라 레레 직발해 바샤 당시 당 아차 당시 in this context
Jikbare.
직발해.
Chachana.
그냥 바샤 당시 more common ray 랍송아 니말하기. That's it. 하고서 okay.
Chachana.
That's it. That's it. Okay. Here, acha tache, it has other meanings, to be cut or something like that. But in this context, right now, it is not to be cut. There is no fixed one explanation for che. It according to it depends on the context of the sentence. Okay, that's it. And this che to be cut is not intentionally, naturally cut. That's che. If you cut with intentionally, that's che. Like this. So right now it's not to be cut. Right now it's explain or speak or talk or like this. So that's it. Kecha she or kecha she. That's it. Okay? Tenede mogmokso. Like this. Mogmokso make. That's it. Very good, very good. If you have doubt, you can ask. That's it.
Tenzin La here after so the ya becomes ki or yi.
That's it. It's ki or
Ki, right?
or yakikuyi We can talk about this later. Agosunga.
Okay.
Right now, think of this as a kiduk.
Kiduk. Okay.
Only write kiduk. That represent all of this. It could be sometimes kiduk, yiduk, kiduk, and it is written according to grammar rule. And we can talk detail about grammar later, okay? No need to know.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
it. Mm.
Mhm. Okay. Thank you, Chair.
Just introducing small thing right now, okay? Whether it's kiduk or yiduk or kiduk, it means present tense, direct perception, or direct experience, as Yanala said. Okay? That's it.
And so ye was what?
So labna make.
Ah, make. Okay. Make.
That's so. Curry so, mok so. That's it. Or pizza so, pasta so. Like this. Okay? Or cake so. Or chusapo so. Okay? Chusapo. Hot water. So. Like, okay? Oh, yeah. That's it.
Okay. Yang Ke Sung Tang. What? You so what? Water what?
Chusapo. We know this. Hot water. Chusapo.
Yeah, chapo is hot and chu is water. Yeah, chu chapo. Yeah. Okay. And so what is a so there for?
This make.
Or make hot water.
You can make hot water, you can make momo, you can make anything. That's
Lasso. Okay. Lasso.
momo so. Like this. Tade, yeah, mark la인다. 공츠 가르치기도.
Kongso Momo Momotso Kiduk.
That's it. 공츠 momo so kidu. That's it.
I don't know how
The sa
that
should
goes.
be after the 차. 하고서 돼. 공츠. Like this.
Kongsu.
That's 공츠 momo so kidu.
So Momotso Kiduk.
That's it. Very good. Now, Linkatong. Linkatong is like a picnic. In action. Picnicking. Okay. Linkatong.
Say again, what is picnic?
Linkatong. That's it.
Linkatong.
For Tibetan, it's very common. We go to the river, cook food, sing song, swim little, chit chat,
Picnic.
play games, like this. Picnic.
Picnic.
That's it. That's it. Not going to disco, okay? This is just in the open area. You can do it in the park. You can do it in the anything in house. Mostly we do it outdoor. Lingatong. We bring the tent like this. That's Lingatong. That's it. Okay. Oh yeah. Now here we have a noun here, lerok, colleague. Okay. Then there are a bunch of colleagues, that's why it's sanarutso. And there is sa here because they are doing something. That's why lerok tsu. Okay, that's it. Lerok tsu, linka tongkidu, like this. Or you can just say kongchu, de. Kongchu, linka tongkidu.
Say again, what is Lerak? Lerak? Rock?
Le rock. Runner rock, casa rock. Colleague. The
Colleagues
yes, the one
or
that
friends?
you
Or-
work with in the office. You have many people
Oh.
working together, so that's le rock. It could be office, factory, on the roadside, anywhere. All of them are le rock. Okay. Le rock tsu linka tongkidu. Kong tsu linka tongkidu. Chokpo tsu linka tongkidu. Like this. Okay. Rinpoche tsu linka tongkidu. Like this. If there is a bunch of Rinpoche. Rinpoche tsu linka tongkidu. Like this.
The tse is the cheja.
Yes. This sa is the cheda.
Okay.
Because Sanarutso has no suffix, that's why you can just write sa when there is no suffix. Okay. That's it. Leroksu linka tongkidu. Right? Now we have here linka tongkidu. The leroksu linka tongkidu. That's it. Ditso nge lerok re. Nge lerok, my working friend or colleagues. Nge lerok re. Kongcho nge lerok re. Like this. Okay. Oh yeah, that's it. Tainda, yeah. Tene Wangmola Wangmola Kongchu 가르치기도.
Lerok Kongche
Kongchu 가르치기도.
Kongche Nika Tonggidu.
Linka tonggidu or linka tonggidu. Anything.
Nika Tonggidu.
Linka tonggidu. That's it. Okay. Kongchu linka tonggidu. That's it. Then we have Temota. I think I have already given this before. Temota, Netflix ta, Titanic ta, documentary ta, news ta, YouTube ta, Instagram ta. Like this. Temo ta. Temo, any show. Temo ta. That's it. Iduk. Or kiduk. Temo ta kiduk. Or iduk. Now we
Und
have
Mangtse?
Mimang tse. That's it.
What is Mimang?
Mimang labna dire kare. Public.
Public?
Public tse. That's it. When there is many people together, what do you call them?
Jaiming in China.
In English?
Or
Crowd.
gathering?
Crowd gathering.
I would call them the public. Yeah.
Public or
Or public, if in common is public.
yes, that's it. So just like that. Ni yun ni. Mang is mangpo together. That's it.
Mhm.
미망추. 때못하기도. Here. 네. 미망추. 때못하기도. That's it.
Audience. Mhm.
Audience also. That's it. Why not? That's it.
Mm.
하고서 때못다. Now you can say 때못다, Netflix 다, YouTube 다, News 다, documentary 다, stand-up comedy 다, anything.
Okay.
하고서 or Bollywood movie 다, like this. Or Hollywood 때못다, Bollywood 때못다. Temo could be sometimes movie, sometimes show. 하고서 no fix. Bollywood demo, Hollywood demo, like this. Okay? Oh yeah. 미망추 demo 다이두, like this. Yeah. 올라서 야 되네.
Tenzin-La,
Yes.
Temota means sorry. Go
sorry,
ahead.
Mark. I want to support your question. I understand that Tenzin-La don't want to answer this question, this lesson, but I want to support this. How to distinguish Geldra and Geldra? I just want to give one example. Very famous verse by Atisha. Sangi chodan soki chok namla, chancho bardu dagni kyapsuchi. Third line. Dagi jinso gipi sönam ki, dola penjer sangi do parshok. We can understand it in two ways. Dagi jinso gipi sönam ki, or dagi jinso gipi sönam ki. In first case, we use, if I just hear it, I cannot distinguish. Is it Geldra or Geldra? If I read, I understand. That's Dagi followed by Geldra. So the question is how Marcus make it. How distinguish it in sound?
Because there is a verb. Okay? In sound, if there is no verb, it will be delta, relative particle. Right? Dingye tebre. Sange ki chu. If I just
So you don't make a pause. When you use Geldra, you don't make pause. When you use Geldra, you make a slight pause after it, right?
Yes, it has a verb. Right now, gi is the verb. Gi is like a che in common speaking language. Agosuma, that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay?
Now, what is the ta after the tamo?
That's watch.
Okay.
Watch. Ta. Rangi simla ta. Nagmiruwa. Like this. You can watch your thoughts. Rangi simla tas.
Akamo-san.
That's it. It's just a sentence. You can watch your thought, right? So ranki semnata, like this. Self-thought, self-thought. Ranki, this means self. So ta here is the important. Watch. Oh, you can watch movie, Netflix, anything. Temota. That's it. Daki jinso gi. That gi is the verb. Nimala. Gi
Yes,
is
the
like
final
a
gi I understand. Ask about dagi. This gi after dag. Dagi is a jedra. Dagi. Dagi. Just a gipesionam ki.
Mhm.
So
So if you just only say daki, no one can tell whether it's from sound, it's verb, or it's a chedra or delta. You have to say the full sentence. Then you will know easily. Agosuma. That's it.
okay.
In full sentence, you will know whether there is a verb or not. And that's it. Agosuma. When there is a verb, then in common speaking, it will end in kidu or something like that. Ruba. But in the poetry, they use only gi or no, they use the only verb with the tense. They don't use the ending kidu like this. We use this only in speaking language. Ruba. Hmm? Like this. Okay. Okay, we can go deep about this later when we can speak.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm? That's now here,
And-
mimatsu temotakidu. Like this. Let's say, yeah, darala in the darala.
Yeah.
Darala mimangtsu karichekiduk.
Mi mangsu temo tayidu.
That's it. Mimangtsu temotaidu. Or if your friend is watching Netflix, nge chokme manar mosa me or nge chokmo ki kakigu kisa ki. Nge chokmo ki Netflix takidu.
Yeah.
Nge
Ye
chokme
chokmo ni.
Netflix takidu.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's
Mhm.
it. So today,
Tensila, I was going through the lesson number 36, and then at the end it says you said the word pak pak. What is pak pak? Is what? Motorbike?
very Honda.
Huh? Pak pak.
Mm,
It's called motorbike, huh? Pak pak.
yes. Mm,
I mean, literally you call it pak pak. I mean, you even how do you write it pak pak?
yes. Sabada bak habak, sabada bak habak. Bak 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 and do bak like this. Mm.
Sa, hatak, and then ka.
So these are because these are not native Tibetan language. These are made later. So it's clearly bak bak is a sound. That word come from the sound, right? Bak bak.
So how did it become pak? The sound.
I think it's Royal Enfield. They sound like this. Bak bak bak.
Okay. 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 Got it. Okay. Thank you.
Ancient times, I think British come to Tibet often.
Mm.
They have some connection. So I think maybe that's Royal Enfield.
Okay.
I think
Royal
it's like
Enfield.
it's more like chuk 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 chuk.
The chuk chuk would be what do you
I
call that?
think that is like a second-hand bike. Oh, just kidding. Okay, bak bak. And
Okay.
when you say motor, motor, we say motor. It's actually motor, right? Motor, like a
Yeah,
car.
motor car.
So we
We
just say
call
The sound,
motor, motor.
sound depends on quality of vehicle.
Okay.
Okay.
Motor.
Probably by sound we can identify what vehicle is it, right? Mm.
So there are some words that Tibetans don't have before and came later, and they created from sound or from the actual sound of other language, like this. There are many words like this. Okay. Hmm? Like this. Okay. So that's it. Today we learned kiduk. Okay. Present tense kiduk. Direct experience. Direct perception. Like you, for example, you looking through binocular, or you looking through the town and you see different things. Oh, Piyuki or monkey ki, kushu sakidu, apple sakidu, monkey ki apple sakidu. Oh, pugu ki tsemutsekidu. Kids is playing. Raba. Pugu ki tsemutsekidu. Ama ki kalak sokidu. Like this. At that situation, you say kidu, kidu, kidu. Agosuma. Okay, that's it. The question is 가르치기도. That's it. Then add subject 공츠 가르치기도, 공기 가르치기도. Agosuma. That's it. Okay, that's it. So this is it. Today's our lesson. Okay, I suggest us to forget the old one, practice it. Also practice this one also. Okay. Let's Yanala.
Yeah.
Yes, Yanala Sungtang.
Can you post the Rimudi Tsangma, the Tiring the PDF, Tiring WhatsApp la Sunona. How do you say? Post it? To post it to place?
You mean?
Chirona? Can
You
you, yeah, this whole thing, can you send it to us?
Yes, 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 yes. Why not? Or you can just go and get this book from online. It's a free.
Where is it?
Okay. I will.
How-
You want to know
how-
how to find the book, or I should send the picture? Which one?
How to find the book?
of the book.
Then send the
Where is
picture
the book?
also and name of the book also.
Okay, okay. I will show you here one more time. I think before I showed it. Just type arapatsa.org.
Arapatsa, yeah.
Okay. Or you can just type arapatsa leaf.org. Press enter. You will see this logo here. This one, orange round with the dahata daki kudi. Omarabazana di. Like this. That D. When you see this, press on this link. Okay? Boom. Then you have a bunch of book here. And what we are watching right now is pre-A1. Okay? Press the pre-A1. Then press view course. Okay? Then we have here Lobsen Tangpo, first subject. You see the green? Press here. Okay? Then you see the book here. Then you see here the next button, go to next. Here. Ah, ha, ah, 3 root sound. Then go back, go like after this. Try to remember revision, okay? Very easy. That's it. Okay? This book is the best book I have ever seen. Okay? It has sound and everything here. Sa. Like this. Ra. Go back and try to revision. Remember what we did in the lesson. That's it. Okay? So we know now how to find the book. It's free source. Okay? That's it.
Thank you.
That's it. So that's it for today.
Thank you, Tenzin.
Thank you.
Select.
Thank you, Tenzin La.
Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you.
Konla, Tukjiche.
Tata, bye-bye, sayonara.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Sawadika. Now you should say Sawadika also. You say every other word, you should say Sawadika also.
Last. Tujiche.